Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D3, chapter number 5, exercise 5D, that is about hire purchase. In this lesson, I will discuss question number 3, basic level. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say that for better understanding of lessons of mathematics, it's really important to integrate the previous lesson with the new lesson for the better understanding of the lesson. Okay, if you find any difficulty about the hire purchase, what are the formulas, terms, so you have to watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Let's read the question from the book. Question 3 says, for each of the following, we have to find the monthly installments. We have to find the monthly installment. And the second is the difference in hire purchase and the cash price as the percentage of cash price. In the first part of this question, we have to find the monthly installment, that how much amount we have to pay in 1 month if we are purchasing some good on the hire purchase conditions. So in order to find the monthly installment, we should have the total amount with us that we have to pay in form of the installments. So for that, what we have to do, we have to find that how much deposit is given in the question, then how much amount is remaining, and what time period is given to us. Okay, if we look at first part of the question, the cash price is $800. Deposit that we have to give to the shopkeeper as a down payment is $100. And here we are not given with the monthly installments calculated. We are given with the simple interest of 8%, that whatever is the amount remaining, we have to pay simple interest with the rate 8% for 1 year. It means that we have to complete the price of that object in 12 months. Okay, so let's move to the solution of the question. First of all, we have to understand that whatever interest we have to pay that interest on the amount after depositing this $100. So first of all, we have to find the remaining balance. So what we have to do, that we have to find the remaining balance will be equal to remaining balance will be equal to 800 minus 100, or remaining amount that we have to pay is $700. Now what we have to do on this 700 remaining amount, we have to pay the interest with the rate of 8% for 1 year. So first of all, in order to find the total amount that we have to pay, we have to find the interest, and we know that the formula for the interest is PRT upon 100, principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time. Principal amount is 700, rate is 8%, and time is 1 year upon 100. These two zeros can go, and I will left with 7 multiplied by 8, which is $56. So it means that the total amount that I have to pay after deposit, total amount to be paid is 700 plus 56, 700 plus 56, and which is equal to 756. And now what we have to do, we have to find the monthly installment. So the monthly installment will be equal to, yes, this is the first part, let me mark the part number, monthly installments, THLY, installment, that how much amount I have to pay in 1 month, that will be equal to 756 divided by 12. So 756 divided by 12 will give me $63. So $63 is the amount that I have to pay to the shopkeeper every month, okay, with the interest rate 8%. I hope you are clear about how we are finding the monthly installment. And then the second part is the difference between the hire purchase price and the cash price. So For the second part, first of all, we have to find the hire purchase price. So hire purchase will be equal to down payment plus, here the problem is the total amount which we have to give in form of the installments is not given to us, but the amount with interest. So instead of that, we have to write amount with interest that is 100 plus 756, and it will give me $856. So this is the hire purchase price. Now additional amount equals hire purchase we have calculated. Additional amount will be equal to your hire purchase price and actual cash price. We have to take the difference between that, 856 minus 800, okay, and that will give me 56, which is actually the amount of interest as well. And now required percentage equals to 56 upon 800 multiplied by 100%, and these two zeros will go and I will left with 8 ones are and 8 sevens are and 7%. So 7% is the amount that we can save if we are purchasing the object with actual cash price. Okay, let's move to the second part of the question, and the second part is that the cash price is $8,000 and we have to pay the down payment or deposit of $3,200 and we have to pay the simple interest of 10% for 2 years. Okay, now what we have to do, again, we are given with the cash price, 8,000 is the cash price, okay, and down payment or deposit is given. So first of all, we have to find the remaining amount that we have to pay. Remaining amount equals to 8,000 minus 3,200, and it will give me 8,000 minus 3,200, and this will give me $4,800. Now what we have to do on these $4,800, we have to pay the interest with the interest rate 10% for 2 years. So first of all, I'll calculate the amount of interest by using the formula I equals to PRT upon 100. Integrate your learning with the previous concepts. If you find any difficulty about how to calculate simple interest, you can watch the lessons of previous exercise. Now what we have to do, we have to replace the value of principal 4,800, rate is 10% and time is 2 years upon 100. Now what we can do is 2 zeros can go and I'm left with 48 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. 48 twos is 96. Okay, 96 with 10. Learn to make your calculation easy because the questions can come in paper 1 as well. So amount of interest that I have to pay on $4,800 is 960 for 2 years. So this is the amount of interest, 960. So total amount that I have to pay to the shopkeeper now is total amount to be paid. Okay, after the deposit of 3,200, 4,800 plus 960, 4,800 plus 960. So let me add them up. Okay, and this is $5,760. So this is the amount that we still have to pay, okay, to the shopkeeper. And then we have to find the monthly installments, that how much amount we have to pay to the shopkeeper in 1 month. So as 2 years are equals to 24 months. 2 years are equal to 24 months. So monthly installment will be equal to total amount 5760 upon 2 years, which is 24 months. So 5760 divided by 24, and this gives me $240. So the monthly installment is, each monthly installment is equals to $240. I hope you are clear that how we are calculating the monthly installment and total amount with interest. Now the second part of the question is the difference in hire purchase price and the cash price as a percentage of cash price. So first of all, we have to find the hire purchase price. Okay, this is actually the second requirement of part 1, and now part 2, hire purchase price will be equal to down payment. What was the down payment? That is $3,200, and plus the total amount that we have to pay with interest, that is 5760. Now let me add them up. 3,200 plus 5760, and this is $8,960. $8,960. Additional amount will be the difference. Additional amount. Okay. Amount, or the question says the difference in hire purchase and the cash price. These are the same things. The difference between hire purchase and cash price, or the additional amount, that is the same thing. That 8,960 hire purchase minus cash price 8,000 minus 8,000, and this gives me 960, which is actually the amount of interest as well. Now we have to find the percentage of this. Required percentage equals to 960 upon actual price 8,000 multiplied by 100%, and these two zeros can go, this zero can also go, and 8 ones are and 8 twos are. So 12% is the percentage that we can save if we are purchasing the thing on the actual price. Okay, I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please first watch these lessons, understand the lessons, and try to retain the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.